Today we are going to be installing a kitchen faucet. It's a Delta brand. This is the faucet here. We're also going to be installing 2 drains. Tools you're going to need for the job: you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, 100% silicone, caulk gun. Or maybe you have an older, well, it's up to you. Anyway, this is actually, I'm going to do a single. I have a single hole, but I'm not going to do that. So, make sure your gasket is under here. It has a sticky thing on the back side. You peel the sticky off, slides over all the hoses, goes on. Just make sure this is on there or you're gonna have a leak. These hoses just go down in the hole, like so. If you have somebody that can help you, it's actually easier. Because they can actually hold this, you can go underneath and just screw it on and be done with it, but I have help, so. The other thing I like about this faucet, the lever only goes forward for hot and cold, not back, which is nice because I bought one that went back before and it hit the wall, so I thought it was kind of. Also, this came with a soap dispenser. We're going to install that. So you take this out. Make sure your washer is, your rubber washer's under here. This goes down. And then you're going to take the rubber gasket. Threads on there. Okay, next, metal washer and a gold color thread. You're gonna slip the hoses. Okay, so now we are looking at the bottom of the faucet. I'm gonna take this metal, go over the hose. And it goes like that. And we're going to take this gold metal piece, and we are going to same thing over all the lines. There we go up, and over everything, and this thing threads on. Okay, I have everything aligned. Now you got to grab your screwdriver, and you're going to take your screwdriver and you're going to tighten these. You can't tighten them anymore. There's one. There's 2. Okay. Tight. Perfect. We gotta hook our lines up. So this here. Okay, so this line here, this little white thing. It's gonna push onto this. This is for the sprayer. I'm gonna push this on. Double. Boom, it's on. Now you're gonna take this blue clamp looking thing and you're gonna just go push it on. Okay, and what that does is it locks it. Can't come apart now. Okay, next we're installing the drains. Make sure this is all clean. I actually wiped it out with a rag nice. I'll make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, you have this. Unscrew this. Unscrew this big thing. This you don't need. That's garbage. Rubber gasket, it goes underneath. So, that's plenty. You don't want it to leak. I would even do a little more than that, actually. Kind of stay to the inside, don't go out here because that's going to make it harder. Because this will squish. Take the drain. Boom. In. Turn a little. Rag. Wipe. Put the rubber up. A little silicone came through, so that will hold it for you. Got a little access there, it don't matter. Screws on. I'm gonna have to go get it. Okay. So the best thing is you can grab a regular screwdriver for this and a pair of channel locks for this. Screwdriver. Stick it in there. Hold the drain. Yeah, see that? You want to make sure that rubber stays in there. I don't know why it's popping out right now, but make sure that rubber stays. Just want to pop out. And there's a lot of silicone in there too, so that'll be nice. You don't have to overdo it with this. I mean, get it tight, but you don't have to. Make sure that's all shoved in. That looks good. A little crank. We just gotta do a little more, right? Perfect, man. Okay. Well, that's nice. But this thing falls down in there. Done. And I don't have soap right now, but and you're going to screw it up here. The one thing I forgot to do, and we're actually going to have to take this back off because I forgot to add the weight. So let's take this back off. It's my fault. That comes off, this pulls off. Okay. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my video, and make sure you hit the bell because I'll have a lot more footage coming on and I want to make sure you don't miss it.